In this video, we are going to show how to grow strawberries at home in pots. We will show the propagation method, potting of mature plants, and also talk about how to take care of the strawberry plants properly to get a lot of fruits. We started with this little plant that we bought from the local plant nursery in just 70 rupees. In India, strawberry plants start producing the fruits from the month of February, when the temperature is around 22 to 25 degrees centigrade. Strawberries can be propagated from the seeds present on the skin of the fruits. Make sure to collect the seeds from the completely dry fruits. Then you can germinate the seeds to produce the saplings. But there is an easier method. During the month of April, after the harvest of the fruits, the plants produce these runners. You can find small strawberry saplings attached to them. First, find a dry place where the direct sunlight does not reach, but the plants can get indirect bright sunlight. Fill a pot with a soil mixture of 50% garden soil, 25% organic manure and 25% sand. Then plant the saplings along with the runner in the soil. Make sure the system is not disturbed. The soil should be kept moist by adding water frequently. Within a few days, the saplings will produce the roots. More runners are being formed from both of the plants. We have planted them in another larger pot. We should not produce more than 2 to 3 daughter plants from a single mother plant. Otherwise, the growth of the mother plant will be hampered significantly, even it may die. Also, we will not allow producing new plants from baby saplings which are not mature enough. We will just cut the runners coming out from the small saplings. When you find that the plants have formed roots and become strong enough to produce their own food, separate them from the mother plant by cutting the runners.
It's the month of September in India. It is the best time for the final potting of a strawberry plant. For this, the soil mixture that we are using contains 40% organic compost, 20% ordinary garden soil, 20% sand and 20% coco peat. We will also add some neem cake dust and fungicide. The neem cake dust will protect the plant roots from pest attacks. Later, it also adds nutrients to the soil after decomposing. The fungicide will protect the plant roots from fungal attacks. You can also add some bone meal and hot meal to supply calcium, phosphorus and some extra nitrogen. As a planter, we will use this bowl-shaped earthen pot with a 10-inch diameter. First, the holes are being covered with some gravels so that the soil does not block them and extra water can be released easily. Now the pot is being filled a little and a thin layer of mustard cake dust is given around the edge of the pot. Now adding more soil and planting the sapling. It will take some time to establish the roots of the plant in the new soil. In the meantime, the mustard cake dust will be decomposed to fertilizer, which will boost the growth of the plant. Now adding water properly. During plantation, make sure only the roots remain inside the soil. The crown should be above the soil. If any leaf or stem touches the soil, it may rot due to fungal infection. It's the month of November. The plants have started growing. End of January. We have multiple plants in pots with different sizes. As you can see, the plants in the larger pots are showing more growth. Some plants started producing flowers. This is the first week of February. Let's talk about the required fertilizer now. You have seen that at the time of preparation of the soil mixture, we added organic manure, neem cake dust and mustard cake dust. We also recommended adding bone meal and horn meal. From then, we have been using rotten mustard cake solution once in each month till now. Actually, the plants need nitrogen in a larger amount in the growing time. That's why we have to use organic fertilizers rich with nitrogen during that time. But to produce the flowers and fruits in larger amount, the plants mostly need potassium and phosphorus than nitrogen. Our plants have started producing the flowers. Soon, the flowers will be converted to fruits. This is the perfect time to boost the soil with extra potassium and phosphorus. For that, we have to use a food mixture containing organic manure, bone meal and banana peel dust. The amount of bone meal and banana peel dust should be half of the organic manure. Instead of banana peel, you can also use wood ash. Apply this mixture in an adequate amount to the soil of each plant. You do not need to add any more fertilizer until the harvest. Now we will mulch the soil using these dried or rice plant stalks. We have cut the stems into small pieces. The fruits may rot if they touch the soil. This layer of mulching will protect the fruits from touching the soil. It also helps to hold the necessary moisture in the soil. It's the end of February. All of the plants got flowers on them. Some of the fruits which were born earlier have become ripe. It is the first week of March. Today we are going to collect some fruits. Now let's talk about the sunlight requirement. In our country, summer is too hot. The leaves may get burnt if they get the scorching sunlight. The temperature remains higher from April to August. That's why in these 6 months, we keep the plants in a place where the direct sunlight does not reach, but the plants get enough indirect bright light. For the other 6 months, that are from September to March, the plants are kept in direct sunlight. The main problem that can create trouble is the fungal attack. To save your strawberry plants from this, you have to spray fungicide once in a month during the rainy season. To protect the plants from other pest attacks, you can use organic pesticide neem oil once in a week. At the time of harvesting, make sure the strawberry is ripe enough. It should get a dark red color and produce a nice smell. At this stage, the fruits taste very sweet. We have reached the end of the video. Please provide your valuable suggestion in the comment section below. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. This will really help our channel a lot. Subscribe to our channel to support us. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.